Hey guys, welcome to Ivy's Coupon Count. We are going in Kohls to look at some deals and some new finds. I haven't been in here in a couple of weeks. Let's go. Hey guys, look at the first thing I run into. A paper company. Women like you make life so much sweeter. Oh, okay. Look at that. So they got all these cards. Oh, you grown. I'm so grateful I have you in my life. Okay, it's kind of like a cardboard. It's 15 bucks. Okay, that's so pretty. You are smart, strong, beautiful, worth. Have you? And it's made out of cardboard. Okay, and here's the other one. It's kind of abstract. And that's how they look. Okay. I got calendar, self-care Sunday, money making Monday, tenacious too. Okay, look at that. $10. Cute. Nothing without intention. That's cute. Oh my god, I got some lovely stuff. I like it. Okay, and this is the new line in Kohls. It's called Curated Kohls. And oh, I love it. So it's supposed to be like a human touch, kinda. Okay, so $32. Look at that. I like that. That's cute, huh? Okay, what about, oh, see, I like this. Now, this crop right here, that, I love it. Ain't that gorgeous? And how much is it? They are $32. They need to go on sale. Here's another one. And this is a hoodie. That's the hood. It's a short crop hoodie, though. Okay. Yeah, they haven't hit sales yet, guys. I just looked. Okay, this is the top. This is cute. I like that one. So that one kind of hit real nice, huh? I like it. Okay, here's the jogging pants. Okay. Oh, the jogging pants is long too. And those are medium. I like those. They got pockets. I like them. Let's see how the back looks. Okay. I like them. I just like the fact that like this stuff is a difference. Curated Kohls. Here's some white, and look at the arms on it. Like, I have long arms, and here it is right here. Look at that. I like that. And this is another one. It's called Human Nation. Look at that. That's cute, guys. Oh, look. Leggings. They got leggings. Human Nation. I like those. And here's some more leggings. These are $44. Wow, they're kind of pricey. But they are by this new company. New business. I actually like it. Okay, this is a giant hoodie, guys. And I don't like wearing big hoodies like this. I don't like, that's too big. Here is the peacoat. Oh, it's not that heavy either. It's no seam, so it's no like inside. So see, there's the thing. It's real thin. Okay, $178. Pretty expensive, but it's pretty. Okay, guys, and this is who the Human Nation is. Ain't that nice? Yes. Okay, so here's the men's side of this Human Nation. Look at that. I love it. Okay. So I don't know, guys, if they are the creator, because I'm seeing different people now. So maybe it's a group of people, but I know it is Black History Month. That's why I said the creator. But I don't know if that's it or not. Look at that. Love, power for Human Nation. Yes, I love those type of shirts. So I know I'll be buying some of these products, but I need to wait till they go down some, guys. So I will be watching the price of these things. Okay, coats 50% off. Look, they coats 50% off. So, and it's just time to get. I don't know why it's February. We still got snow 10 feet high. That's cute. I love that. Look at that. I like it. 50% off. So if it was $78, it's $39. I like these military jackets. I like that. And let's see how much it is. Oh, $78, so it's $39. That's a good price. Body suits, another sale, $28. Oh God, $20. Oh, it is made out of t-shirt material, so it's much more comfortable. I like those. Thong in the back. It's, okay. I like that. Those are cute. They got them in black, blue, beige. Oh, look at that coat. That's pretty. I love these. Again, $88, so this is 44. Really cute coat. That's 44. And here's another one. And of course, they gotta bring some jackets out for us. Okay, these tunics are $8, and they real long. Wow, look how long that is. Let's see. Now every shirt I buy with this on it, this silky, it rips off of there. I don't know. Maybe I'm just handling like a. Let's see. All right. It's on how to wake up, take action, and do the work. Wow. Okay. Okay. Step into your power. Black music greats. We got a book on Michelle Obama. That's pretty. Black history must be a rainbow. It's somebody else's cloud. Oh, that's pretty. They have little t-shirts and they are $19. All kind of cuties. Love one another. Love, love, love. Black history in the making. Love I love that. I love them love t-shirts. I've loved them all the time. Oh, here, this says it all. That's fine. Maya, Malcolm, Frederick, Harry, and Langston. Okay. Those are cute. I have to look at my Converse before I leave. Here's some purple ones. And they look like that in the inside. And they are 38. That's cheap, actually. Black ones. I have gray ones with this. It hurts my back of my foot. Those there's some white ones, some 49. Classics, you'll see they're more expensive. 38. And these Converses, 49. Never looked like a Converse to me. There, look how big that shoe is. Wow. Okay, guys. Let's see. Oh, look at that. That's cute. 42. I like that. That's cute. And that is cute. Okay, I like that. Now, I usually don't like animal print stuff, but that's pretty to me. I like that one. Those are cute.